Nina with innichkachef and welcome to my kitchen. Today in the episode we are making French dessert called Clafoutis. With those beautiful peaches. I came yesterday home and such a big surprise on my front step. I found this beautiful whole box of South Carolina peaches. They smell so delicious, they're irresistible, and the season is short and we have to make something with those peaches. I'm so excited. Basic, simple recipe. All we need, staple ingredients, probably everyone has in the refrigerator. It's eggs, sour cream, I'm using crème Fraiche, yogurt, Greek yogurt, anything will work. Plain all-purpose flour, cane sugar, milk and salt. That's it. And peaches, of course. The peaches starves the dish. 5 eggs. And sugar. Mix together. So the eggs has to be nice and fluffy, almost white. And time to add the rest of the ingredients. This recipe comes together so fast, so I already did prep for my peaches. And now we add flour. Make sure you sift your flour. Your salt, mix together. And now sift. Mix. Add sour cream. And the rest of the flour. This recipe you are welcome to add vanilla, but I really want the peach shine through, and this in peaks, they are delicious, they smell so good and so aromatic. I think we don't need vanilla, but if you wish, feel free to add. Traditional clafoutis is made with starved cherries, which is almost impossible to get in South, but we have plenty of peaches. This. Now it's 350 degrees for about 40 minutes, but we have to check with thermometer. Before I taste it's cooling down, our clafoutis, I want to check what we're going to make next time. Sweet potato salad. Look at this. It's so beautiful. Can't wait to try. As much as I want to try right away, it's nice to let it sit and cool down for a few minutes. If you like, you can decorate with powdered sugar, but it's up to you. This dessert is not very sweet, so you may want to add more sugar. It's barely cooled down, but I can't wait. This dessert, it's so yummy looking. Oh my goodness, so good. It's kind of low in calories because it has so many eggs, high in protein. We didn't add any baking soda or anything to rice. It's all eggs. And lots of fruit and very little sugar. If you like sweet desserts, this is not very sweet, you can increase your sugar. So lovely, so delicious. And I hope you enjoy this video and I hope you give it a try soon. Bye, see you next time.